It's surprising to think about how hard we work for our money. Yet we give it to banks just to access essential services like paying for goods and services or sending money. Banks built this system using our money, which works to their advantage, where only they profit from it while taking no risks. They even charge us to use it, even though there's no real alternative. At least there was no alternative until now. Imagine a different system where you can do all the same things, like paying for goods and transferring funds, but this time directly, without the bank in the middle. That's what we call true financial freedom. You own your money and are the only one in control. The main difference? While a central authority controls traditional money, cryptocurrencies are secured and managed by thousands of computers globally, making them transparent, secure, and efficient. You might not see much difference when making everyday transactions with crypto instead of using your bank, and that's the point. You can transfer money or pay for goods and services nationally and internationally. There are no borders, approvals, or intermediaries. If the other person has a wallet, you can send crypto instantly. It's that easy. Unfortunately. And yes, there's a but. Crypto, like any new technology, faces challenges. While we genuinely believe crypto is the future of payments, the infrastructure isn't ready yet to accommodate the volume of transactions currently being processed by the traditional payment system. With high volumes, transactions slow down, fees increase, and without centralized control, there is no consumer protection. For businesses, accepting crypto is currently a nightmare. Not only because there's no real-world payment method that allows them to do so decentralized, but also because managing inventory that links crypto payments to their cash register systems is not possible, making everyday use somewhat limited and inconvenient. That's where Merchant Token comes in. We're building a point-of-sale terminal that will allow businesses to accept crypto just like they do with traditional payments. Together with the Merchant Crypto POS dashboard tools, it will empower businesses to manage their crypto payments effectively. It's the same experience you're used to when paying for groceries, but with crypto. And our Merchant Card, a crypto-only payment card, will make the customer's experience seamless and user-friendly. We're also solving the issues of high fees and slow transactions by creating our own blockchain designed for fast transactions and very low gas fees. Our HIPS crypto wallet will seamlessly integrate into this system, making it easier than ever to use crypto for real-world payments. We're implementing AI-powered agents to handle complaints and disputes to address the lack of consumer protection. These agents will ensure that users are protected and that issues are resolved quickly and fairly, bringing trust and security to crypto transactions. At Merchant Token, we're building a decentralized ecosystem that empowers you to transact with the cryptocurrency of your choice, bringing you financial freedom and banking the unbanked.